Welcome to Kurumi Cooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are making Japanese sweet potato croquettes. Here are the ingredients. Today I'm putting some cheese in, but it's optional. 750 grams of sweet potato, 230 grams of cheddar cheese cut into small pieces, 40 grams of leek, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of pepper and 1/8 of teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk, 80 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of dried breadcrumbs, 1 egg. You will also need some oil and kitchen papers. Cut off the ends of sweet potato, peel, cut into small chunks, and put in a large microwave-safe bowl. Cover with cling film and microwave for 10 minutes on your highest setting. Chop the leek finely. Saute the leek with the salt and pepper until soft. When the sweet potato is soft, mash it well. Add the leek to the sweet potato, then add the sugar and mix well. First, put a little oil on your hands. Then take about a heaped tablespoon of the sweet potato mixture. Put a cube of cheese into the center and form into a small ball. Beat the egg and the milk together, then coat the bowl with the flour and egg mixture. Then coat with the breadcrumbs. Heat the oil to 120 degrees C and deep fry the croquette for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Remove the croquette when golden brown. Serve with some brown sauce. Look out for my homemade brown sauce recipe coming soon. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.